Hi everyone, welcome to last part of the lecture one. And in this part, we will discuss about the models and reality. So as we mentioned in the earlier parts, we say that we have to deal with some uncertainties when we work with probabilities. And this uncertainty typically involves two distinct stages, two parts. And in first stage, we need to construct a suitable sample space and the probability law. Usually, this stage is open-ended task, and which connected with the real work with some mathematical operations. And also, there are no hard rules to guide the steps to proceed in the steps, but only all our strategies or the sample space needs to conforms to axioms of the probability. Okay. And sometimes one may choose some simple model, even if it's not correct one. But maybe it's a more accurate or more traceable. Okay, so that's why there is some trade-off between the accuracy, simplicity, and destructibility, especially in the engineering and science area. So in summary of these things, we can say that all models wrong, but some of them might be useful. Okay, so based on what you are doing in the real life, you can choose some simple or more traceable models based on your point of view. Okay, so these are the belongs to the first stage, but in the second stage, we have now a fully specified model, and just we need to derive the probabilities of the events, and also we can deduce the interesting properties from the models we choose. And this second part is tight regulated by the rules of the logic. So you can your logic or belief, and also it's regulated by the axioms of the probabilities. If you remember from the previous part, we say that if we don't want to have any problem with the sample space and our models, these three axioms of the probabilities are accepted or are supposed to be true. Okay, and that's why in the second stage there is no room for the ambiguity, unlike the first stage, because in the first stage, as I said, we can choose different models based on your point of view. It can be more simple or it can be more traceable, and you can choose a model even if it's wrong. So based on your thinking way or your point of view, the solutions can be different. Okay, you can get the different solutions, different results. So let me give you an example. Let's say this is a well-known example, and you will be given a question, and in this question, consider a circle and equilateral triangle inscribed in the circle. Okay, so and then let's say I have randomly chosen a chord of the circle, and I'm asking you what is the probability of that chosen chord will be greater than the side of the triangle. Okay, so this will be your teamwork, and we will solve this question in the class, and I might also send a solution we use. Okay, so thanks for watching the lecture one, and I will see you in the lecture two.